Welcome back, everyone, to a WeatherWise video forecast. So first off, we're going to go to the Storm Prediction Center. As we have a Day 5 outlook has been issued, but we will go over that in a few moments. Today, this risk has been pushed more towards central Oklahoma, but it's still out in western Oklahoma and then down way south Texas. This will be for, there is going to be the tornado threat right across Oklahoma around Woodward, along with the wind and hail threat. Then we pretty much have that same risk that I was talking about yesterday, except this is a day 2. So go watch yesterday's video, and I will talk more about this right here. Though this is going to be for tornadoes, damaging wind, and hail. Day 3, we have across the Florida Panhandle mostly. All along the border until you get it to Tampa, it'll go around to Fort Myers. I will hopefully have another video tomorrow over that. We'll stop at the Day 5. This is going to be right across parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, going all the way as far as, I'm going to say, Osage County in Oklahoma. This will be over parts of Woodward, Fort Still, and I wouldn't be surprised to see it tomorrow, potentially over here, more down over, I cannot read that, I beg my pardon, but, and then potentially even over across parts of Tulsa. Anyways, let's go to the National Weather Service in Norman for this. So this is today. Severe threat over parts of Woodward, Enid, Clinton, Altus. It's clipping Oklahoma City and clipping Stillwater. These are going to be the rain chances. This is Sunday's severe potential. Clipping Enid, Clinton, Altus, Woodward, and I would include, well, I wouldn't say, I'd include Lawton. This is next week. We see below average temperatures probably across much of the United States. Though as you get over towards the Carolinas, Ohio, New York, we're going to see well above average. Alrighty. So this is going to be the Winter Storm Severity Index. We see mostly calm right now. I will probably have another video updating right in there, just focusing on that, because that is where we're watching that potential winter storm. That's right, you heard me right, a potential winter storm to the north. When will this be? We click on day 1. No. Day 2? Yes. Day 3? Potential. Across right in here. So I'm going to the excessive rain now. Remember yesterday, this day 1 was a day 2 and had nothing on it. Seems to not be wanting to load. Alrighty, there is going to be an excessive rainfall outlook somewhere that is just barely over that I cannot see because it's not showing under 5%. But then that marginal risk is under a 5% marginal for excessive rainfall. Sorry, I lost the word. And we see portions of California in that. And then you have most of all of Florida, parts of Alabama, Georgia, the Carolinas. Go to our models. Which one should I do? We're going to go to the GFS. So you can see those storms down there. Nothing too bad though. So here we go. I want to stop right here. You can see storms go up. Right there. That is why I think this risk, we could even see a risk end up all the way out here the next day. We have a 987 low pressure behind it that could even potentially bring snow to the Panhandle. Then you have mostly calm, you have snow in the Rockies, then you have potentially supercells go up. Not those will be hit or miss, but those are way too far out to pinpoint. So I'm going to move over to Oklahoma in the central U.S. to check instability on these. So this is Sunday. You see, right in here, there's plenty of instability to support stuff. I'm saying right now it's too far out to pinpoint, but I do think this could be a significant tornado event. I'm going to go to the temperature. As you can see, this is Sunday. Around here, it's about 13 degrees Celsius. But then it drops down to around 10. Then it'll just keep falling before you see this wave of energy starting to push in. That is what is going to give us our instability. Storms are going to go up here in March. So this area right in here should be the main area of concern. gonna look at this too. So this is for Sunday. Sorry about that, I accidentally hit my camera. This shows a lot stronger in some points. Up to 4.1. And as we advance farther, the storms that we saw go up seem to have some instability as of now, but very low. Alrighty. So thank you guys for tuning in. We set a record for the longest video I have had, going over 11 minutes. So I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in. Please drop a like and subscribe if you did enjoy, so I can get a new camera and a new computer to film these with. It would really help me if you could help me get that. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine if you don't want to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will be back probably tomorrow, but I will be back sometime with that update before the day 1. Alrighty, keep God number 1. Remember that you that you matter. Have a great day.